Hey guys, my name's Cullie and this is Speechless by Cullie. One of my goals in life is to travel all around the world, and I know that sounds kind of crazy because it's kind of hard to go everywhere in the world, but I would love to do it. I've always been one of those people that are down to go on adventures, down to see new things, down to try new things, and I love being uncomfortable, going to places that I've never been to, getting outside of my comfort zone, going and exploring the world. One thing that I've always wanted to do is to travel to Africa to go on an African safari. One reason why I'd love to do that is because of Lion King. I mean, we've all seen the movie, we just all know how crazy it would be to drive through all that, looking at elephants, looking at giraffes just in the wild, and I just have to stay in there and I just have to like take it all in kind of, and then just like step back and just process all of it. And to me, in that moment when you're quiet and you're just like taking everything in, that's like a speechless moment for me. Those are the most wonderful moments in life because not everyone gets a speechless moment to go on some crazy adventure and just to step back and be like, wow, and be like, wow, and be like, wow, what did I just do? That is crazy. Traveling has always been that one thing in life that I know that would bring me happiness. And it's crazy to me to think that some people in life never get to experience some of the things I get to experience. I know that some people in life, they never travel farther away than 100 miles away from their home that they were born in, and a lot of people just don't get the opportunity to go on trips or to travel or to ever in their life kayak or to ever see a manatee or to even literally swim with a manatee. And to me, those have been some of the craziest moments in my life, and I just don't know what I would do if I didn't have those moments, didn't have those experiences, because one way to really live life is to go out there and see the world and to see the world for what it is. So that's why I'm starting Speechless by Cullie. So Speechless by Cullie is going to be my YouTube channel where I go on crazy adventures, travel the world, hopefully, and go on just wonderful journeys throughout life. And my goal is to bring people along with me that would probably never get that opportunity to go and travel somewhere, to wherever we may go. And I want to fulfill everyone's dream to travel and to see the world and to do whatever they love, because I know for me, I love to travel, and for me right now, I'm trying to make it happen, trying to start up on YouTube, trying to do everything that I possibly can because I love to travel and I just don't think anyone should take it for granted. So if you want to follow me throughout my journey, follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like to join me on my journey, DM me on either Instagram at CullieM or TikTok, or even my YouTube, just comments. So I cannot wait to take someone out there and to see the world with them and to give them that speechless moment that they've always deserved. Thank you so much for joining me here today, and I cannot wait to travel with you guys.